our thoughts on that Jamaica versus Mexico game at the Azteca. It's evident again, Jamaica has one of the best set of players in the region. Against Mexico, we had 3 players, Leon Bailey, Ethan Pinnock, and Bobby Reed, who are currently starters for their respective teams in the English Premier League. If Mikel Antonio was available, we would have had 4 EPL starters in the Reggae Boys team. Shamar Nicholson at Spartak Moscow also plays at a top league level in Europe. So basically, half of this Reggae Boys starting 11 are playing top flight European club football. How many teams in CONCACAF can boast that quality? USA, maybe Canada. The support cast is also solid. Good players from the Championship in England and Major League Soccer in the US. So yes, it might sound like a stuck record spilling over from the last World Cup cycle. But the Maverick look. They are look. And I genuinely cannot see why this Reggae Boys team cannot finish in the top 6 in the region at least and qualify for the next World Cup. I cannot see it. They look at me, can't see it. No, we can't see why. I don't see why we can't see why.